This is all honey right here, guys. Look at that. This is fall honey. This is all fall honey, guys. Look at that. Eventually, I'm gonna have to harvest some of these honey frames because you don't want the hive to become honey bound. You want to make sure that there's a lot of space for the queen. But right now, it seems like she got a lot of space. She's laying inside here. So we have 2 frames of brood so far. This is honey right here. This is honey, and this side here got a lot of pollen and honey over here. And stand up directly behind the hive. It feels so weird working with these latex gloves, man, because I can literally